Welcome to Abdali Art and Drawing. Today we will learn how to draw a cat. For the cat's head, draw an oval shape. For the left side of the cat's body, draw a curved line and give it the shape of number 6. For the right side, draw a straight line. Now add the cat's ears on the top of the head. Now, slightly in the cat's head, draw the cat's eyes, nose, and whiskers. You can make the whiskers as long and as short as possible. Now the next step, draw the cat's legs and feet. In the next step, draw a wavy curved line to make a cat's tail. Now add some design to your cat's body. And you are all done.